The Quality Car module provides two additional capabilities to the Pentagon 2000 system. The first capability is to allow the creation, trace, and follow-up of corrective action reports associated with virtually any quality function of your organization. From the main screen, left-click the Operations button. The Operations menu window will appear. The Quality Car button is located near the bottom of the Operations menu window. You may need to scroll down to see it. Left-click the Quality Car button. The Quality Car search window will appear. Existing Quality Car documents will be listed and may be filtered using the text filter field. The text filter field will filter the leftmost column in the search window. To add a new Quality Car, left-click the Add button. The Quality Car window will appear. The Add in the title bar identifies that this record is new. First, you will identify the status of the car. Left-click the ellipsis in the status field. Double-click the line that corresponds to the status of the car. Next, identify the priority of the car. Left-click the ellipsis in the priority field. Double-click the line that corresponds to the priority of the car. Each car is associated with a company, but may also be associated with a particular division and department if applicable. The system automatically populates the Reported By field with the user that creates the car. This may be changed by left-clicking the ellipsis in the Reported By field and selecting the appropriate user. The Reported By date will be populated with the current date when the car is created. This field may also be adjusted. The Source of Car group box identifies the origin of the car. The source of car may reference an existing document, or the car may be associated with one of the categories that you set up in the Other table. If the new car is created as follow-up to a previously created car, then the existing car may be linked to the new. It is now time to identify the discrepancy. First, the discrepancy may be classified. Prior to the following steps, the record must be saved. Left-click the OK button in the Quality Car window toolbar. The Add will disappear from the title bar and the record will be locked. In order to continue, left-click the Edit button on the Quality Car window toolbar. The Update in the title bar indicates that the car is in edit mode. A detailed description of the discrepancy may now be added to the car. The Quality Car module allows both messages and memos to be added to the discrepancy. In general, messages are acceptable for release outside of the organization. Memos are information to be kept internal to the organization. To add a message, left-click the Message button. The Memo Editor window will appear. Left-click the Edit button in the Memo Editor window toolbar. Type a detailed description of the discrepancy. Left-click the OK button in the Memo Editor window toolbar to save the message. Left-click the Close button in the Memo Editor window toolbar. The light bulb on the Message button is colored yellow when a message has been created for the car. An unlimited number of additional documents may be linked to the car. To link a document, left-click the Add button. The list of available document types will appear. After a document type is selected, the list of documents that are of that type will appear for selection. After the discrepancy has been corrected, you may enter the information applicable to the corrective action. Identify the user who performed the corrective action. Identify the date on which the corrective action was performed. Next, the corrective action may be classified. A message or memo may be added to provide details of the corrective action. If the car will need follow-up at some point in the future, ensure the Need Follow-up checkbox is marked as checked. Users authorizing or approving the car may be identified in the Authorized Signatures group box. Once follow-up has been completed on the car, the user performing the follow-up and the date on which the follow-up was performed may be identified. Once all applicable fields are completed, the car may be saved and closed. The second capability is to allow the creation of an inspection list that can be completed during the receipt of material. To view a demo covering the setup of this capability, left-click the View Setup Demo button below. To skip, left-click the Skip Setup Demo button.